Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin testing critical support near $63,900 as China's Kimi K3 AI model triggers broad risk-off sentiment. Clarity Act passage odds crash to 32% on Polymarket as Senate negotiations stall. Cardano completes historic decentralization handover, while altcoins shed $8.8 billion in market cap. Markets absorbed a $1.8 trillion equity sell-off overnight after Chinese laboratory Moonshot AI released Kimi K3, a $2.8 trillion parameter open-weight AI model that outperformed Anthropic's Claude and OpenAI's GPT on key coding benchmarks. Completely free and open source, it challenged assumptions about AI infrastructure spending. Taiwan's TAIEX crashed 6.5%, Japan's Nikkei fell 4%, and semiconductors entered bear market territory down 24% from June peaks. Bitcoin fell 1.8% to 63,300, Ethereum dropped to 1,844, and Solana slid to 74.83. Crypto's 80+% correlation to equity indices means chip stock weakness translates directly into digital asset pressure. Altcoins lost $8.8 billion in market cap since July 10th. High beta assets like Hype Token fell nearly 11% week over week. Spot Bitcoin ETFs showed resilience with $79 million in inflows Wednesday, but Ethereum ETFs posted $28 million in outflows. Clarity Act prospects deteriorated sharply. Polymarket odds for passage by year-end collapsed to 32%, down from 82% in February. The bill remains stalled over Democratic demands for bipartisan ethics provisions, addressing conflicts of interest involving public officials and digital assets. With Congress approaching August recess, traders increasingly doubt the regulatory clarity markets have been pricing in. Cardano completed a landmark decentralization milestone. Input-output will transfer control of core blockchain infrastructure including the Haskell node, Plutus smart contract platform, Daedalus wallet, and Hydra scaling technology to independent external teams beginning in August. Founder Charles Hoskinson called this the final stage of Cardano's Voltaire era. ADA rallied 5% to 16.5 cents as whale wallets accumulated at the fastest pace since 2023. Japan's SBI Holdings acquired a majority stake in Singapore-based exchange Coinhako, gaining access to over 400,000 users and a major payment institution license from the Monetary Authority of Singapore. Prediction markets faced scrutiny after allegations that White House teleprompter operator Gabriel Perez profited over $100,000 on Kalshi trades using advance access to presidential speeches. Kalshi froze approximately $90,000 and banned Perez. France's National Gambling Authority officially blocked Polymarket nationwide. Bitcoin must defend 62,500 to avoid deeper correction risks. Solana's $77 support represents a key test of Layer 1 appetite. The next sustained rally will require both semiconductor stabilization and concrete regulatory progress. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.